We use the Jamaican dollar every day. We trust the Bank of Jamaica to back it. But suddenly the world is talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and digital money you can't even hold. What is this cryptocurrency? Is it real money? And how does it fit into our local financial landscape? Welcome back to Ruscell AI Investor. I know crypto can sound complicated, but today we're going to break down the core concept like a fresh coconut, simple, clear, and refreshing. By the end of this video, you will understand what crypto is, how it works, and how it's fundamentally different from local projects like JAM-DEX. At its heart, cryptocurrency is simply digital money that is secured by cryptography. The key difference from the JMD in your bank account is this. When you use your bank, the transaction goes through a central authority, like NCB or Scotia. They verify everything. Bitcoin and most other cryptocurrencies are decentralized. They are not controlled by any single bank or government. Instead, all transactions are verified and recorded by a global network of computers. This shared, secure digital ledger is called the blockchain. Think of the blockchain as a digital, public, tamper-proof partner book for the entire world. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be changed. This is the source of its security. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are designed to be scarce, much like gold. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. This limited supply is programmed into the code, which is what gives it value because mathematically, you can't just print more when you feel like it. As a Jamaican investor, you must know the difference between traditional cryptocurrency and our central bank digital currency, JAM-DEX. They are not the same thing. JAM-DEX is a digital JMD. It is legal tender. It's safe, regulated by the BOJ, and its value is stable. Cryptocurrency is not legal tender in Jamaica. It is largely unregulated, and its value swings wildly, which is why it's seen as a high-risk investment. Since crypto is largely unregulated in Jamaica, the Bank of Jamaica advises caution. However, if you choose to invest, you must do it the safe way. Remember, cryptocurrencies are assets with massive potential growth, but they also carry massive risk. The journey to wealth starts with a strong, safe foundation. Understanding crypto is understanding the future of finance, but for the serious investor, knowledge and security come first. If you want to learn more about the specific steps to open a local brokerage account or how to safely transfer funds, let me know in the comments. Hit the like button if this explanation was clear, and subscribe to Ruscell AI Investor for more smart strategies to build your wealth in the Caribbean. What crypto topics do you want me to tackle next? Let me know below. Thank you for watching Ruscell AI Investor. Stay informed, stay invested. With JAM-DEX, your local currency stays central to value exchange. Think of crypto versus JAM-DEX. Both have roles, but JAM-DEX anchors local utility.